So for today's project, I'll be making a propane fire pit with an ammo box. Sorry about the noise, they're dredging the lake. So I went ahead and drilled my holes in the box, and it's time to cut this grating now. Now I have the grating cut and bent. That's gonna go inside of the box on top of the copper tubing. Now that the copper's bent, I know it's not pretty, but I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes. Holes are drilled. So I got the copper tubing all connected, the grating. Now I have to wait for the propane hose to come in to test it out. And for anyone wondering, I used 3/8 copper tubing in these fittings.